Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal. Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how can you set up UET tag in Microsoft advertising platform or Microsoft Ads for the Shopify store by using of Google Tag Manager. So let's get started. You can see that I am landing on the Microsoft advertising interface, and after registration process or sign in process, you can find out this kind of interface and then you can go to the conversion. In the conversion, you can see that UET tag conversion goals and offline conversion. So you know that firstly we have to create the UET tag on our Shopify website, and then we have to create the conversion goals. So now you can see that that is my Shopify store, and that is the backend of our Shopify store, and can also told me how can you enable the data layer. So if I go to the settings, you can see that in the left hand side you are hover over the custom event, and in the custom event I am creating the data layer for Shopify store. And for your information, that is a theme independent data layer. You have to invest the one time. Your data layer will be the work up to long time. If you are changing your theme on Shopify, but data layer is also activated. So that means you do not using any third-party apps to activate the data layer. So that is the real use opportunity. You can also set up by me to get this opportunity. If I click on the data layer new, you can see that data layer I have to implement on the Shopify backend, that is custom event, and in this custom event I am create the data layer. So if I go to the tag assistant, you can see that I have to find out the all event because my data layer is active. So I can do anything for any kind of platforms. But our today target is Microsoft advertising or Microsoft ads conversion tracking. So I'm concentrated on that. So you can see that UET tag on here. So my first work is I have to perfectly set up, I have perfectly connected with our website with the Microsoft advertising platform using the UET tag. So firstly, create UET tag. You can click the create, then you have to find out the UET tag name. So I'm just giving my brand name. You can adding your business name on it. So UAT tag description, you don't need, yeah, if you are interested to create the description or about your tag, then you can provide on it. But in my case, I do not provide any UAT tag description. Next, I have to find out the enable Microsoft Clarity. You know that is the Microsoft analytical tool. You have to see your website visit all of analytical terms you have to implement. But I have to also created this video. How can you enable the Microsoft Clarity on your website to tracking the analytical report? But now I do not interested on it. I do not tick mark on it because my focus is only create the UAT tag with our website. So I have to click the save and next. And in the save and next, we have to find out the four option. But I am selecting first one, that is install the tag yourself. I want to install the tag by Google Tag Manager. So I'm click on the first one, then next, and you have to find out the base code. By using this base code, you can also able to set up the UAT tag on your website. You can see that head option. In the head option, you have to put this code, but I do not copy the code because only I need one code, that is UAT tag code, which I am implementing in the Google Tag Manager. So next and done. And you can see that tag ID on it. So I'm copy the tag ID on it and back to our Google Tag Manager. That is I'm created for the Shopify store. So you have to ignore on it. And I presume that you already know that how to create the Google Tag Manager account, tag, triggers, variable, all of that interface. If you do not yet, you can go to my YouTube channel to check out that how to create all of that. I hope you can understand how to create all of that. So I am go to tag option and go to new tag. So in the tag configuration, I click on it. So I'm searching the Microsoft advertising platform. If I am scroll with the tag template, here you can see that Microsoft in advertising universal event tracking. So I am putting the UAT tag on it. So I am also creating the another event. So I create the constant variable. So I have to easy to find constant and paste it. That will be the Microsoft UET tag ID. Save it. UET variable ID is okay, and our triggering option will be the page view, because I do not select the all pages for the Shopify store. I am using the page view because I am already create this event for page view. You can see that page view, and there will be the Bing or Microsoft. That is the all same. So you can also Bing or Microsoft UET tag. Name it. So I am save this tag. So I am done. Now I am go to the preview option and check out that our UT tag perfectly set up with our website or not. So before that, you have to set up the extension, that is UAT tag. That is the extension. You can search on your Google Chrome or whatever you have to use the another browser. So I'm just on the tag extension. So I'm preview and check out that our UT tag are set up with our website or not. So if I am click on it, and in the extension you can see that one, that means you and you can see that our UAT tag are perfectly adding with our website. And you can go to the parameter, you can see that all parameter, that is the building parameter by Google Tag Manager. They are showing the sum data. So that means that our UAT tag are perfectly set up with our Shopify store. That is the good. So back to again our Microsoft interface. Now we have to create the conversion goal. That is our main target. So I'm going to conversion goal to create the conversion. So create the conversion. Firstly, I'm trying to set up the purchase event. That is a little much tricky one, but another event, the process is same. I hope if you are understand how to create the purchase event for Bing ads, then you can understand another event. So my today target is business website, because I do not set up the app store and offline conversion. Then go to next. And here we have to find out the two options. One is simplified setup and manual setup. We are set up the manually. So go to manual setup, next. And the goal category, you have to select your event name. Here you can see that you have to find out the all event. So now question is for the e-commerce, for the Shopify store, I have to enable the e-commerce event, but for the contact and page view for a lead event, that is the possible. If in future, I will try to show you. So now our today target is e-commerce. So I'm selecting the purchase, and that is the event. So I'm select the event, and then next, and that is goal settings. You have to giving the goal, that is you have to giving the name for that is we are using the purchase, so we have to put the website purchase. And revenue for the purchase event, we have to select the second one, conversion action value. That is the most important, and you have to use the any a fixed value like Google Ads. You know that how to set up the Google Ads. And in the scope, you have to activate the specific account for the first one. Second one is you have to set up the all account. So I am select this first one, because I am only created this account, not the another. So I'm click the first one, that is myself. I'm creating it before. Count. You can also all you have to select all, because every conversion are most important for us. Conversion window, that also same with the Google Ads. You have to 90 days windows. You have to adding more days for it, but I'm um, still with the 30 days, and click through the 1 day include conversion. I have to select the first one, that is conversion, and attribution model, that will be two option. That was in last touch, last click. I'm selecting the last click. After completing this process, and go to the next and turn on enhanced conversion. I will show you very recently how to set up the conversion enhanced conversion tracking for Microsoft. But our today I do not set up the enhanced conversion. I select the second one and save and next. And from there, that are confirmation message that we are perfectly set up UET tag with our website or not. You see that before we are perfectly set up our UET tag with our website. So I'm select the second one and finally save and next. And again, we have a two option. Also the Microsoft Clarity I already discussed before. Today we are do not focus on the Microsoft Clarity. We are go to the manual installation and next. And from here, that is the install event tag guide. You have to click here. Then you have a find out the total instruction how to you implement on your event for the Microsoft advertising purchasing. So I am find out the all of that. Just go to my Google Tag Manager, create new tag. So go to again tag configuration, find out the Microsoft one. Here you can see that Microsoft advertising universal event tracking. Already we are set up the Microsoft advertising UET tag. So we just adding that is Microsoft UET tag ID. And from the tag tab will be the custom conversion. And custom conversion, you have to put the event value. So if I go to the data layer and go to the purchase event, the value will be the, you can see that e-commerce dot value. So we have to create on it. So here is the value, go to plus sign and also plus sign to create the variable, sending the purchase event. That will be the data layer variable. That is the e-commerce the value. You will be value for B because I'm creating the another variable uh, for this previous setup. So I have to find out so that I am giving the name DLV value for B, save it. Here you can see that even value I have to find out currency. So again, I am go to plus sign to create the currency variable. If I am go to the again data layer, you know that how can all create that. So I have to find out the currency. Here you can see that e-commerce dot currency. So I have to create this variable plus sign and also variable configuration data layer variable that will be the e-commerce dot currency. So he will be in currency set this variable and revenue value, that is the specific product specific mm, profit margin. So if you have a data layer and revenue value, then you can put it, and also you have to add in the more parameters. But for this e-commerce event, I do not need to add in the another parameter. And for the enhanced conversion tagging, that is a separate place. You can use the custom you can use the custom HTML tag. So in future, I will show you how can you set up the enhanced conversion for the Microsoft advertising conversion tracking. For the tracking, I am selecting the purchase event purchase. So giving the tag name that is Bing Microsoft UET purchase event. Save it. So now I am go to the preview option and check out that our purchase event perfectly working for the Microsoft Inc. or not. So go to preview again and continue. That is our website, and in the right side, tag assistant are connected with our website page. But our target is we have to go to the purchase, that is the dummy purchase for testing, and finally pay now to dummy purchase. If I go to the Microsoft advertising extension, here you can see that our custom event, and that is our custom event, and that was 7,000 the price. And also you can see the 7,000 price and our currency, you can see the BTT. So the tag is perfectly working. If I am go to the tag screen here, you can see that our purchase event working perfectly. The tag is fire. And here you can see the purchase event. The purchase event are working perfectly. And if I am go to the advertising section, that is save and next and done. And you can see that website purchase as a conversion goal show that it it is showing the unverified, but it will take 24 hours to activate to verify. I hope you understand. So finally, we are perfectly set up Microsoft advertising conversion tracking for Shopify store by using our Google Tag Manager. And for the another event, the same process, you can create the another event like we can check out that view item. And also Microsoft has do not provide the server-side tracking facilities or scope. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.